All right, so here's our notes on adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. So here we have 3/5 plus 1/5 equals what? Well, here we go. We got to take this one step at a time. So first we need to think, okay, if the fractions have the same denominator, if they have the same denominator, that's this number, right? If they have the same denominator, then you can add the numerator. And that's because these right here show you that this is 3/5 plus 1/5. So they are the same size. The fractions are going to be, their fractional parts are going to be the same size, okay? So if they are the same size, then you can add them together. 3 plus 1 then. So this is what you do. 3 plus 1 is 4. So then you write the numerator over the common denominator. So their denominator is 5. They're fifths. How many fifths do I have? Well, I have 4 of them. Okay. Then we go to subtracting. Subtracting like denominators. So here we have the example of 8/10. Whoops. Should be 8/10 minus 3/10. I don't know why I put that.
Ms. Hayes, you are needed an appeal.
So we have 8/10 minus 3/10. All right, we got to figure out what that is. So subtract the numerators. That's what we have to do. And write the difference over the common denominator. So here we have 8/10 minus 3/10, right? And so 8 minus 3 is 5. And what's the common denominator? 10. Don't forget to simplify. So we have to simplify this fraction. 5/10. So both of them are multiples of 5. So divide both by 5s, because 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10. So I can then divide this. I can say, well, 5/10. I can divide 5 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2, not 2. Whoops, what am I doing here? It should be 5. Sorry, cognitive flatulence. That's what that is. All right, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So that's 1/2. So 5/10 is the same thing as 1/2. All right, so we can practice this. Okay, so 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. Well, 1/3 plus another third is 2/3, plus one more third is 3/3. And 3/3, let's think about it like this. 3/3, if I have 3, I have thirds. 1, 2, 3. 3/3 is the same thing as 1/2. So it's also 1/2. Okay, so let's do this one. So here I have this in parentheses, so that's 1, 2, so that's 2/9. So 5/9 minus 2/9 is equal to 3/9. And I can divide both of them by 3 because I know that they are, each of these is a multiple of 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 1/3. So 3/9 is the same thing as 1/3. The last couple here is 7/10 minus 3/10. That's going to get me 4/10. 4/10 plus 1/10 then is going to get me 5/10.
Ms. Raleigh.
And I can continue then by going, okay, 1/8 plus 5/8 minus 3/8, so that's going to be 2/8. 1/8 plus 2/8 is going to get me 3/8. Okay. Oh wait, let me go back. So this needs to be simplified. I can divide the top and the bottom by 5, and that can give me 1/2, just as I showed earlier. So here I can add all these up. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 5 is going to get me 12, so 12/12, which is equal to 1/2. 4 minus 2 is 2, so that's going to be 2/16. Plus 6/16 is going to get me 8/16. Whoops, 8/16. And I can divide both of them by 8 because I know that that these two numbers are both factors of 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So 1/2. 8/16 is the same thing as 1/2.